I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate, episode 109. We're going to be talking about the real estate closing process. Be sure to like and subscribe and ring that notifications bell so you never miss an episode. In your mind's eye, you may envision closing like a movie scene. Both parties, the attorneys and their agents, sitting across from each other at a large conference table. While this does look good and makes for a great Hollywood story, I've never actually seen anything like this at a real estate closing. The closing is the final stages, but it looks likely very different than you may imagine. In the real world, the real estate closing is really a multiple step process. Typically, the sellers will visit their attorney a few days to as much as a week prior to closing. The seller's attorney and their team of amazing paralegals have prepared the documents and will have the sellers come in and sign ahead of the actual closing date. The sellers will sign the deed and other legal documents. This may include a temporary power of attorney, so the attorney can sign any last-minute changes on behalf of the seller. The seller's attorney then packages everything up and sends those forms over to the buyer's attorney. Buyers will meet with the attorney typically on the day of closing and go through the legal and financial forms needed to close on the home. The attorney is a big part of our real estate team we assemble. A great attorney and their paralegal will make sure you understand each part and also lead you through the process with the heart of a teacher. They'll review the opinion of title and explain any encumbrances that they may have found. At the attorney office, the buyers will sign the deed and loan documents. The money will then be taken, a cashier's check or a wire, and then the documents are taken to the courthouse to be recorded. It's important to know that no keys can be exchanged and no money released to the agents or the sellers before the deed has been properly recorded. Once the deed is recorded, the home is considered closed and everyone moves on and lives happily ever after. There's more great content coming soon. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.